$1 million for an SUV. And honestly, it might be worth every single penny. This isn't a car review. This is a reality check because Mansory took the already insane Rolls-Royce Cullinan, which starts at $350,000, and said nah, we can do better. Carbon fiber everywhere. Custom everything. A interior so wild it looks like a billionaire's penthouse decided to grow wheels, and by the end of this video, you're either gonna want one bad, or you're gonna feel personally attacked by how hard this thing goes. Let's get into it. Real quick, because some of y'all might be asking, who is Mansory and why should I care? Mansory is a German luxury customization house that takes already expensive cars and turns them into something that makes the original look basic. We're talking full carbon fiber body kits, custom interiors, upgraded engines, bespoke everything. Their clients? Athletes, rappers, oil billionaires, royalty, people who think a standard Rolls-Royce is too common, and when Mansory touches a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, bro, it becomes something else entirely. A first look at this truck and your brain just short circuits. Mansory replaced almost every exterior panel with full carbon fiber bodywork, hood, fenders, bumpers, side skirts, roof all carbon. That alone adds an aggressive, almost supercar-like character to what was already the most imposing SUV on the road. The custom front fascia is wider, lower, and meaner than the stock Cullinan, completely redesigned to look like it's about to swallow whatever's in front of it. Those 24-inch forged wheels, custom Mansory spec, sit so perfectly flush with the widened fenders that it looks photoshopped in real life. And the paint? You're not picking from a color chart. Mansory does full bespoke paint, two-tone options, satin finishes, custom color matching to literally anything. Your yacht, your private jet, your favorite watch, whatever you want. At night, with those custom LED light signatures running, this thing doesn't just turn heads, it stops traffic. People pull over. People get out of their cars. No cap. This is what $1 million looks like on four wheels. Okay. This is where the $1 million price tag actually starts making sense. Step inside and your first reaction is gonna be wait, am I in a car right now? Mansory goes completely bespoke on the interior, hand-stitched leather on every single surface, ceiling, door panels, dashboard, floor. If it exists inside this car, it's been touched by a craftsman. The quilted leather patterns are custom diamonds, hexagons, Mansory-specific designs stitched with contrasting thread that catches light from every angle. It looks like a Hermes bag had a baby with a 5-star hotel suite. Starlight headliner, already insane on a stock Rolls, but Mansory takes it further. Custom fiber optic patterns, shooting star effects, and in some builds, color-changing ambient lighting synchronized with the music. Your ceiling is literally a galaxy. The rear lounge seats recline fully, have individual massagers, individual screens, individual climate controls, and fold-out tables finished in carbon fiber and polished aluminum. This is first-class Emirates, but in a car. Real talk, sitting in the back of this car makes flying first-class feel economy. And the custom bar cabinet built into the center console? Yeah, Rolls-Royce already does this. Mansory just made it more ridiculous. Crystal glasses, bespoke compartments, chilled storage. Because why not? This interior doesn't feel like a car. It feels like a flex with seatbelts. Now look, people buy this car for luxury, not lap times. Let's be real, but Mansory doesn't ignore performance either. Base Cullinan runs a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 pushing 563 horsepower. That's already enough to move this 6,000-pound beast from 0 to 60 in 4.9 seconds. Mansory's performance package bumps that to 612 horsepower with upgraded turbos, revised engine mapping, and an exhaust note that honestly sounds way too good for something this heavy. Does it feel fast? Yes. Does it feel urgent? No, and that's the point. This car doesn't rush. It arrives. There's a difference. You don't floor a Rolls-Royce. You suggest acceleration, and it responds with the smoothest, most effortless power delivery you've ever felt in your life. 0 to 60 in a luxury penthouse. That's the vibe. Let's break this down because this is the part everyone wants to know. Base Rolls-Royce Cullinan, $350,000 Then Mansory starts adding full carbon fiber exterior package, $80,000-$120,000, custom forged wheels, $30,000-$50,000, full bespoke interior retrim, $100,000-$200,000, performance engine upgrade, $40,000-$60,000, custom paint and finish, $30,000-$80,000. Bespoke details, badges, lighting, $20,000-$50,000. By the time Mansory is done, you're at $900,000 to $100,000 depending on spec, and every single one is different. No two Mansory Cullinans are identical. You're not buying a car. You're commissioning a piece of art that happens to drive Real Talk, who is writing this check, pro athletes, NBA, NFL, Premier League guys who want something nobody else on the team has, rappers and entertainers, because when you pull up to an event, you need to make a statement before you even open the door. Middle Eastern royalty. Mansory actually has a massive client base in Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Qatar. These guys are ordering 3 at a time. Tech billionaires who already have a Lambo, a Ferrari, and a G-Wagon and just need one more thing. The common thread? People who have everything and still want more, and low-key can't even be mad at it. Here's the real answer, and I'm keeping it a buck asterisk financially? No. Absolutely not. A $350,000 Cullinan already does 95% of what this car does. You're paying $650,000 extra for exclusivity, craftsmanship, and the ability to say mine is different from every other one on earth. Emotionally? Without question. Yes, because this isn't transportation. This is a statement. This is art. This is I made it in physical form sitting on 24-inch forged wheels. For most people this is a fantasy. And that's okay, that's actually what makes it special. But if you had the money, bro, you already know the answer. The Mansory Cullinan doesn't just turn heads. It makes people question their entire life choices. And honestly, respect. If this video hit different, smash that like button. It helps more than you know. Subscribe because next video we're going even crazier. Mansory Cullinan versus Brabus G-Wagon, 2 of the most insane custom builds on the planet, head to head. Drop in the comments. Would you rather have this Mansory Cullinan or a brand new Lamborghini Urus Performante? Both cost the same. You can only pick one. Let's debate.